Hi guys, today I'm very sick, so for your own sake, you're not going to see my face. But today we are going to continue to talk about our experiences and to talk about Yellowstone. Have you ever been to Yellowstone? Yellowstone is a national park in America. I have never been there, but I would love to go there. So in this park, you can see a lot of nature, beautiful landscapes, wild animals, and this is what you are going to study today. Today we are going to study the vocabulary to describe nature. This is your document. Can you repeat after me? An eagle, a wolf, two wolves, a goose, two geese, des oies, a bison, a fox, two foxes, a bear, an elk. After the wild animals, les animaux sauvages, we are going to describe landscapes. Now repeat landscapes. A lake, mountains, woods, waterfalls, a canyon, a river, a boat, on the sea. And to finish, we are going to talk about natural events. Repeat. A storm with a lightning in the sky. Snow on trees. A geyser. A sunset, coucher de soleil. A sunrise. Looks like I'm ready to go to Canada with this outfit. But anyway, have you ever been to a national park? Have you ever seen an elk? Tell me that. Bye-bye.